Hello, 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 you guys. We're looking at day 16 of our ACT Math Prep Review. It says simplify 3a plus 4b minus, in parentheses, negative 6a minus 3b. Let's look at the answers. You have no idea how to do this. Is there any answer we can throw out? Well, if you look at B, C, D, and E, they've all got two terms in them. So if I didn't know how to do this problem, I would throw out A right away. The next thing I would do, I've got 3a plus 4b. When you have a minus outside the parentheses, that's like a -1. All you have to do is inside the parentheses change all your signs. So that becomes a positive. That becomes a positive. It's like a -1. So a negative times a negative is a positive. A negative times a negative is a positive. If you want to put a -1 there, go ahead. Now, 3a's and 6a's give you 9a's. Gone. If you have 4b's and I give you 3 more b's, now you got positive 7b's. There you go. There's your answer. Even if you didn't know how to do it, you should have thrown out this one, and at least you got 1 in 4 chances now of getting it right. So look at it like that. Every time you can roll out an answer, you got a better chance of getting it right. All right, tomorrow is day 17.